picture. Oh, it's beautiful out, huh?
It is. She doesn't need a jacket.
It's beautiful out. You know how to use this camera?
I think we can figure it out.
Give me a tail.
There you go.
She's pouncing on it.
Tony, hold this.
She's getting used to the sun. Oh, she's gonna have a ball out here in the summer.
I know. It's the thing. You just.
She's gonna love it out here. We'll have a little pool for her. You can go splash in the pool.
Run.
Bless you!
Hi, Aubrey.
She's having fun outside.
Aubrey. Aubrey.
She's gonna hit her face against the thing. Don't hit your face against it.